Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. So this week we're doing something pretty fun. We're gonna go and try out the Rage Room. We're gonna let out some of that pepped up anger, if there is any, on some old machinery that we have no more use for. Big thanks to Lil Unlimited, the place where I work. They had some things that are done, and they're allowing me to take them to smash and get rid of at the Rage Room. So, yeah. But basically, we're gonna go and we're gonna try. We're gonna link up with Pedro and try and see if we can break some already broken stuff. Follow through, stay tuned, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, the works. Alright. So we're here. Pedro is in the link up.
Outside.
We're doing it. Got some stuff to mash up. We got an old printer. I got two old printers. Car kinda dirty still, but you don't know.
Soft man. Yo, like the whole of this my youth?
Yeah, we have some fun to enjoy.
Oh, just this. Alright.
A two printer.
As in this something like this too?
Yeah, that's another printer. So a two old printer that basically
Alright.
where I work now I use, and them say, yeah, go and go dispose of it, man. So
Alright. So we'll make you side, ain't it?
you don't know. Yeah. So this is the office for the day. This is where we get to mash up things. Check out them old printer there over there. Something like that. Yo, it's AC. Oh yeah, gosh, man. That means I can go and mash up with something and don't feel no way.
And don't feel no form of heat.
You see me? No overheating.
Yeah, nice.
Keep your mask on, guys. You don't know outside safely. Not true. So hey guys, unfortunately the background music was loud and your boy is not taking no copyright for nothing. But in essence, what we're talking about here is you kind of have to sign a waiver. We're running jokes that we're signing our lives away, but not good. So basically, you're just letting them know that you're fine with them performing medical care of some sort to ensure that you're okay in the case of an emergency. And they're also saying that they're not liable for anything that could happen, and you know that there are risks involved with this process. So that was us basically just signing the waivers, you know. Everybody got a CYA. Cover that ass. Cover your own, you know. Yeah.
Then from this kind of, man, see we can find a proper location to put on the suit.
So they just told us to suit up.
Stand up over there sometime. Alright. I don't move, let me see.
Vlogging process, guys.
Okay, sorry.
A lot of people want to come and experience the Rage Room. So, yeah, so guys, yeah, this is your AC tools over there. Just avoid the AC and the
Alright, no problem.
So, yeah.
Alright.
The bricks are for smashing.
Okay, so now we're smashing on the bricks.
If you paid for the next package, you would give the bottles. I would
Smash stuff on the bricks.
You can bring your own stuff.
That's fine.
Just for you. So remember to put on the gloves. And you can
Yeah, man.
Alright, you guys can start when you're ready.
Now we'll take out the mask here because so we'll do this.
Yeah.
Take out the gloves. Can't see.
As Pedro was saying, these are our choice of weapons for today. We don't know. sledgehammer.
Which one you meant it?
I think I'm going to work with the hammer first. No, the sledgehammer first, and then go to the crowbar.
Alright.
I want to work with the crowbar specifically for these.
Alright. Let's get it started.
Alright. What do you want to work with first? Huh? Let's go. That's the ball. Fuck. Step back in. What? Yeah, let's just move this over. You sure you want that right there? Alright. Calm down. That's what we do now. Oh god. Well, I have one more. I think we should get one on the table.
On the table?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
We'll take everything off the table and we'll go and beat it up on the table.
Oh. Alright. Alright.
One, two. Kill him! In that! In that!
Don't put in that kitty that one. What's in my play with that?
For the whole run. Home run. Home run.
Outside. That's stretch. That's it. That's stretch.
Go on, talk to you, talk to you.
When you're working, when you get the first time.
Huh?
What?
Ready? Alright. Woo! Alright guys, so that's the epi. We just had a wicked time. Pedro mash up some things. You see me? I mash up some things. We even end up drinking a beer. And whole a reason. It's a fun time, guys. Come to Rage Room, mash it down. Mash it down, Rage Room.
Oh, that's the name. You know, that's the name. If you think of mash it or something like that.
Yeah, come down to Mash It Down Rage Room and come check it out. It was $2,500, which is really affordable, and you bring whatever you want to mash up. So if you have any old things, just come and enjoy.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Pedro, big up, you know.
Yeah,
Link up. Oh, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the works. If you think of an episode that you can see, drop it. I'll be happy to do a collab. We'll be happy to link up. So just make me know in the comments and we'll make it work. Alright guys, big up.